How to sell on eBay in 2024. This video will help you understand the basics of eBay and to make money right away. So if you want to make money on eBay and want to know how to do it the right way, this video will help you do that. Also, if you don't have the money or resources or even know how eBay works, this video is going to show you how to do it with limited funds. Let's say you start off with, let's say $5 or $10. I mean, you should at least have that somewhere. What you would do is look for items that you can sell for $30 or $50 or $100, and there's a formula to do so, and you will learn that in this video. By the way, there's a bonus at the end of this video. I'm going to tell you what items sell really well at a very quick pace on eBay that you can always use or find when you want to post on eBay. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Number one, sell-through rates are really important on eBay. Why? Because the higher the sell-through rate, the quicker the item will sell. Let's say, for example, you have an item that you would like to put on eBay, and you look to see how many items are out there. Let's say you type in Levi premium jeans, and you have 10,000 Levi jeans out there. And then you look at the sell-through rate, and 50% of these style of jeans sold. That's not bad. That's a 50% sell-through rate within the last 90 days. eBay always gives you the comparables in the last 90 days, which is good. So also, let's say if, for example, we found some Jinko jeans, which are really popular. At the time, there were 2,000 listings out there of Jinko jeans and 4,000 sold. That's almost like a 200% sell-through rate. What does this mean? It means that the moment we put these Jinko jeans out, the likelihood of somebody buying them within the first day or 2 days is really high. Also, with Jinko jeans, they are priced really high. The range can be $200 or $250. I mean, I've even seen Jinko jeans sell for $13,000. Now, I don't know if it was accurate, but that's what it said in the solds. So let's say, for example, a Nike shirt, and you look to see this Nike shirt, and a thousand of these Nike shirts are out there, but only 10 sold. This is not a good item to go for. This is a bad sell-through rate. Never go for items that have a low sell-through rate. Now you may ask the question, what's a good sell-through rate? Well, a good sell-through rate, in my opinion, is at least 50%. Now, have I gone for items that are 40% sell-through rates or 30% sell-through rates? Yes, I do. Now, it depends on the item though. Let's say, for example, if an item has a 30% sell-through rate, but I could sell the item for over $50 or over $100, then I will pick up that item, because I'll let it sit in our storage, and then at any given time, if it take a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks to sell, that's fine, because I know when it does sell, I'll make $100 on that particular item. So, rule of thumb, I mean, the higher the sell-through rate, the better, but 50% to 100% is ideal, and obviously anything higher than 100% is better. Number two, you really want to post daily and consistently. I mean, all the gurus say that there's a thing with the algorithm that says that if you post daily and consistently, you will get more sales. Now, I don't know if this is accurate or not, but what we do is we post daily. We post 7 listings per day, and this has worked well for us, and we do get sales. Now, when we stop posting, let's say if we skip a week or 2 weeks, sometimes it does look like sales slow down on eBay, but no one really knows, or at least I don't know. But people that I've spoken to in the eBay space, they all say you should post daily and consistently. Now, the amount of listings you should post is up to you and what you can handle in your schedule. Right now, we post 7 listings per day. That's the maximum that we can handle. Now, we were posting 5 a day. They say that 5 a day should be the minimum. That's how much you should post daily. Now, if you can't post 5 a day, that's understandable. Just post what you can until you have enough revenue in order to post 5 a day. Where to find items to sell? Well, you really want to hit all over. I mean, you want to go to Goodwill, you want to go to flea markets, you want to go to garage sales, you want to go to your own closet, you want to go anywhere you know that sell items at a discounted price. Because essentially, you're going to be looking at your eBay app, and you're going to be putting the names of these items in the eBay app and trying to figure out if they have a high sell-through rate. And if they have a high sell-through rate and you can buy it for, let's say, you buy an item for $10, you can sell it for $60, that's a good item. Or let's say you buy an item for $1, you can sell it for $20, that's a good item. So essentially, you just want to go all over as many places as possible, develop a route you can go to daily or weekly to just hit different stores and figure out where a deal can be made at or what items are discounted. This is how to do it. So number 4, you really want to look for items that you can sell for $25 and more, and $25 plus shipping. So that adds a caveat to the sell-through rate. So it's 2 things you got to keep in mind of. You want a 50% or higher sell-through rate, and you want to have your items to be at least $25 plus shipping. This is the ideal sweet spot. Now, if you sell an item for $20 or $18, that's fine, plus shipping. But you never really want to sell an item for $10 or $8 in the beginning. You want all your items to be priced really well, that have a high sell-through rates. And if they do not fit the threshold of at least $25, then do not pick it up. Why? Because a lot of these items are going to sit, and essentially you're going to be paying for storage. Your storage bill is going to increase, and you're going to have thousands of items out there that's not selling, and you're going to wonder why. So make sure your items are at $25 or above. It can get to $20 or $18. That's fine. Now, the only time you really want to sell your item for $10 or $12 or $8, if you posted the item and the item has not sold within the last like 60 days or 90 days, or maybe even 120 days, you really want to decrease the price of that item. This will help you sell the item fast. Number 6, how do you ship the items? Well, we ship the item through Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship is really good, and you can save money by shipping through this app. It's pirateship.com, and you can have a less shipping expense than USPS or FedEx or UPS. It's a really good app. We use it. We love it. I think you should do it. Reviews are really important. So do everything in your power to have good reviews. Make sure that you ship the items on time. Make sure the product looks good. Package the product as well as you can. A lot of people put like thank you notes inside each product that they ship out. Make sure you do everything in your power to make sure your reviews are good, and that goes in line with proper communication. Make sure you answer every question that comes in. Yes, it's a job. It's not something you just do and you don't manage it daily. So keep that in mind. Number 8, never ship late, always ship on time. Now on eBay, they give you the option to ship 1 day, 3 days, 5 days. So you pick your shipping time and you make sure you fulfill that shipping time. For us, we ship 3 days is our shipping time. That's enough time for us. But some of the better eBayers ship 1 day. And that's really impressive. So you just got to pick your time, stay true to it, and ship during those time frames. Number 9, any defects on any products, please disclose those defects in the description box in eBay. Now, if you don't disclose the defects on that item and then you ship it off and the customer or guest gets the item and it has all these defects, they're gonna say, well, man, why you didn't let me know? I would never bought the product if I knew it had this hole in the back of it. Disclose all defects in the description box, and this will help you because the guest can look at the description and make a decision on whether or not they want to buy the item with the defects. Because once you ship it off, you're gonna be like, well, I put all things that was wrong with this item in the description box, so I ain't got to worry about it. Now, if they get it and want to return it, that's something else. But at least you did your best foot forward to let the guest know that this is that this problem is happening with this product. And lastly, the bonus. Look, another kicker here is that luxury items sell really fast on eBay, and the sell-through rate is high, and the price of the item is really high. So you're going to be looking at items that sell over $25 and above. So sometimes these items sell for $100, $200, thousands of dollars. So that's a lane you could consider. I would do research on this lane, and you will set yourself up for success if you work to getting a luxury bag, let's say. By the way, that's all I got. If you like this video, then check out my other video here on how to use debt to get rich. And until that time, and on that note, take care.